Hey food lovers! Today, I'm showing you how to make the perfect egg and avocado toast. It's quick, healthy, and so delicious. First up, grab 2 slices of whole grain bread and pop them in the toaster until they're golden and crisp. While that's toasting, let's get our avocado ready. Cut a ripe avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash it up with a fork until it's creamy, but still a bit chunky. Now, mix in a teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Easy, right? Next, let's talk eggs. You can choose poached or fried, both are amazing. For poached eggs, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add a splash of vinegar. Crack each egg into a small bowl, then carefully slide it into the water. Cook for about 3-4 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks remain runny. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and let them drain on a paper towel. For fried eggs, heat a small non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add a little oil or butter, crack in your eggs, and cook to your desired doneness. Sunny side up or over easy. You do you. Alright, let's assemble. Spread that creamy avocado generously onto each slice of toasted bread. Place a poached or fried egg on top of each slice. Now sprinkle on some chili flakes, a bit more salt, and freshly ground black pepper. If you want to get fancy, add some microgreens, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of feta cheese, and there you have it, your perfect egg and avocado toast. Drizzle a bit of olive oil or balsamic glaze for an extra kick. Enjoy this nutritious and delicious treat anytime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yummy recipes. See you next time.